Investment Strategies for Beginners, Building Wealth Safely. Hello, future investors and wealth builders. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're demystifying investing and helping you build wealth safely. First, let's understand why we invest. Investing is crucial for long-term financial goals. It's how your money grows over time. Next, assess your risk tolerance. This is your comfort zone in investing. There are tools and quizzes to help you determine this. Let's talk about stocks. Owning stocks means owning a piece of a company. There are potential rewards and risks involved. Bonds are another option. When you buy bonds, you're loaning money to entities. Again, there are potential rewards and risks. Real estate is a tangible investment. Owning property can be beneficial, but it also comes with challenges and risks. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio reduces investment risk. Consider mutual funds and ETFs. These are pooled resources and can be advantageous for beginners. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience pays off. There are many success stories of individuals who built wealth over time. Protect your investments with risk management strategies. Techniques like setting stop-loss orders and having emergency funds can help. Finally, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Financial advisors or planners can provide valuable advice. Now, you're equipped to start your investment journey with confidence. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's your path to building wealth safely. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investment wisdom, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.